Welcome to my channel. Let us assume today we gonna solve another example from the SK Mapa's real analysis book of sequence of real number exercise 7. Example is the let un and vn be two sequences with limit n tends to infinity un is equal to l and limit n tends to infinity vn is equal to m, and if xn is equal to maximum over xn, maximum between xn and un and vn, and yn is equal to minimum between xn and yn, un and vn, then we have to prove that xn converges to maximum over converges to maximum between l and m, and yn converges to minimum between l and m. So let's start the proof. Okay. So what is giving? Limit n tends to infinity un is equal to n and limit n tends to infinity vn is equal to m. Let epsilon greater than 0 be arbitrary since limit n tends to infinity un is equal to l for epsilon greater than 0 there exists a k1 belongs to n, that is k1 is a natural number such that mod of un minus l less than epsilon by 2 for all n greater equal to k1. We can write this from the definition of the limit of a sequence. Okay. Next again we have, since limit n tends to infinity vn is equal to m for epsilon greater than 0 there exists another k2 belongs to n such that mod of vn minus l minus m less than epsilon by 2 for all n greater equal to k2. We can also write this on the definition of the limit. Next, let k is equal to maximum over k1 comma k2, then what will happen? Then both the inequalities will satisfied for all n greater equal to k. So we can write mod of un minus l less than epsilon by 2 for all n greater equal to k, and mod of vn minus m less than epsilon by 2 for all n greater equal to k. Both the inequality holds for all n greater equal to k. Okay. Next, we have to prove xn is convergence to maximum of l and m. Okay. So For this mod of xn minus max of L comma n, we have to show that this is lesser equal to less than epsilon for all n greater equal to some natural number. ঠিক আছে, we have to find the natural number. Okay, again xn is equal to, what is xn? Xn is equal to maximum over un comma vn, and it is maximum over L comma n, or we can write mod of un plus vn plus mod of un minus vn plus minus half. Similarly, L plus m plus mod of L minus m. Okay, whole mod. Since maximum over a, maximum between a and b can be written as a plus b plus mod of a minus b. Okay, from this we can write this. Okay, is equal to half of un minus L plus vn minus m plus mod of un minus vn minus mod of L minus m. Okay, now we can write half into, it is lesser equal to half into u mod of un minus L plus mod of vn minus m plus mod of un minus vn minus mod of L minus m whole mod, because we know that mod of a plus b plus c lesser equal to mod of a plus mod of b plus mod of c. Okay, next, lesser equal to half of mod of un minus L plus vn minus m plus mod of un minus vn minus L minus m, because we know that mod of a minus mod of b whole mod lesser equal to mod of a minus b. Okay, lesser equal to half of mod of un minus L plus Vn minus m plus mod of Un minus L minus Vn minus m. Okay, so this is not lesser equal to, it's equal to, now it is lesser equal to mod of Un minus L plus Vn minus m plus mod of Un minus L plus Vn minus m. Okay, because mod of a minus b lesser equal to mod of a plus mod of b, এইটা আমরা লিখতে পারি। সো এইখান থেকে আমরা কি পেলাম, এখান থেকে আমরা পেলাম এইটা, এইখানে দুটো আছে তাহলে 2 হয়ে যাবে, তো 2টা কেটে যাবে। সো আমরা কি পাবো, আমরা পাবো mod of Un minus L plus mod of Vn minus m, এইটা পাবো। এবার কি হচ্ছে, এইটা এপসাইলন বাই 2 থেকে ছোট, এটাও এপসাইলন বাই 2 থেকে ছোট ফর অল n গ্রেটার ইকুয়াল টু k। ঠিক আছে, তার মানে এইটা কি বোঝায়, এইটা কার থেকে ছোট, এইটা এপসাইলনের থেকে ছোট ফর অল n গ্রেটার ইকুয়াল টু k। সো ফ্রম দ্য ডেফিনেশন অফ দ্য লিমিট of limit we can say that limit n tends to infinity xn is equal to maximum over L comma m. This is how we can prove that if Un and Vn converges to L and m respectively, and xn is a sequence where xn is defined by maximum over Un and Vn, so then the xn is converges to maximum between L and m. Okay, this is clear. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section. Now second part is left to the viewers. Okay, so we can prove the second, yn is converges to minimum between L and m, exactly similar way, just using the fact that minimum between a and b is equal to a plus b minus mod of, using this result we can prove exactly similar way that yn is converges to minimum over a and b. Okay, so let's prove it yourself. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section.